Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the 50 MCQs in general microbiology. And these MCQs are very helpful for the preparation of ARS exam, CSAR, entrance exam, ICMR, JRF, competitive exams, as well as the preliminary examination for various posts. Question number 51. Which photosynthetic bacteria are photoautotrophs? Option A, purple sulfur bacteria, B, green sulfur bacteria, C, both A and B, D, non-sulfur green bacteria. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Phototrophic bacteria are the organisms that carry out photosynthesis using energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are converted into organic materials to be used in cellular functions such as biosynthesis and respiration. Question number 52. Which photosynthetic bacteria are photoheterotrophs? Photoheterotrophs are the organisms that make use of light energy as their energy source. They also cannot use carbon dioxide as their sole carbon source. They use organic compound from the environment. Options are option A, purple sulfur bacteria, B, green sulfur bacteria, C, non-sulfur purple bacteria and D, cyanobacteria. The correct answer is option C, non-sulfur purple bacteria. Question number 53. The auxiliary pigments in photosynthetic bacteria are option A, bacteriochlorophyll, B, carotenoid, C, chlorophyll, D, anthocyanin. The correct answer is option B, carotenoid. Carotenoid are a class of naturally occurring pigment and they are responsible for the orange, yellow and red colors. They are having many biological functions including photosynthesis and photoprotection. Question number 54. Spirochetes move with the help of option A, endoflagella, B, axial filament, C, periplasmic flagella, D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Spirochetes move by rotating their endoflagella, which are located in the periplasmic space between the inner and outer cell membrane. They rotate the endoflagella to create a corkscrew motion that propels the cell forward. And these bacteria have lengthwise flagella called axial filaments. Question number 55. The obligate intracellular parasitic bacteria. Option A, Mycoplasma, B, Rickettsia, C, Chlamydia, D, Mycobacteria. The correct answer is option B, Rickettsia. Rickettsia are obligate intracellular bacteria, which means they can only survive and reproduce inside a host cell. Question number 56. Chlamydia cannot synthesize. Option A, cell wall, B, ATP, C, protein, D, all the above. The correct answer is option B, ATP. Chlamydia are unable to synthesize ATP because they are obligate intracellular parasite. They lack the ability to carry out energy metabolism. Chlamydia are dependent on the host cell to provide them with ATP and other intermediates. Question number 57. The small bacteria include option A, Mycoplasma, B, Rickettsia, C, Chlamydia, D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Mycoplasma, Rickettsia and Chlamydia will consider as a small bacteria. Question number 58. The cell wall of methanogenic bacteria contain option A, murine, B, pseudomurine, C, lignin and D, silica. The correct answer is option B, pseudomurine. Methanogenic bacteria are also known as archaea and they have cell wall that are different from bacteria in that they lack peptidoglycan. Pseudomurine is a structural analog of murine. Question number 59. Methanogenic bacteria are option A, aerobic, B, microaerophilic, C, anaerobic, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, anaerobic. Anaerobic bacteria can survive and grow in environments without oxygen. They are toxic to oxygen and lack the enzymes such as catalase, superoxide, dimutase and peroxidase. Question number 60. Which archaeobacteria lack cell wall? Option A, thermoplasma, B, methanobacterium, C, halobacterium and D, mycoplasma. The correct answer is option A, thermoplasma. Thermoplasma do not contain a cell wall but contain a unique membrane composed mainly of tetraether lipoglycan containing a typical archaeal tetraether lipid attached to a glucose and mannose containing oligosaccharide. Question number 61. Which bacteria forms aerial mycelium? Option A, thermoplasma, B, streptomyces, C. Halobacterium, D. Mycoplasma. The correct answer is option B. Streptomyces. Streptomyces are filamentous bacteria that grow in soil and produce antibiotics. When grow on surfaces, they form a vegetative substrate mycelium followed by aerial hyphae that developed into pigmented exospores. Question number 62. Halobacterium require how much NaCl for good growth? Option A 3.5%, B 6%, C 15%, D 50%. The correct answer is option C 15%. Halobacteria are extremophiles that thrive in high salt environment and require a minimum salt concentration, typically around 15% for their survival and their growth. Question number 63. Halobacteria have this pigment. Option A chlorophyll, B bacteriochlorophyll, C bacteriorhodospin, D phycocyanin. The correct answer is option C bacteriorhodospin. Bacteriorhodospin is a pigment found in halobacteria that absorb light to create energy. Question number 64. Which one of the following statement is not correct in case of lactobacillus? Option A growth in alkaline condition, B produce lactic acid, C involved in fermentation, D non-pathogenic. The correct answer is option A grow in alkaline pH. Lactobacillus, they can produce lactic acid and also involved in fermentation, which are non-pathogenic one. Question number 65. Cyanobacteria are nutritionally. Option A chemoautotroph, B photoautotroph, C photoheterotroph, D chemoheterotroph. The correct answer is option B photoautotroph. The cyanobacteria are photoautotrophic organism. They make their own food using sunlight and carbon dioxide. Question number 66. Pick out the unicellular cyanobacteria. Option A Glyocapsa, B Nostac, C Anabina, D Oscillatoria. The correct answer is option A Glyocapsa. Glyocapsa are photosynthetic prokaryote that play a vital role in biogeochemical cycle and microbial food web of aquatic environments. Question number 67. Pick out the non-heterosister cyanobacteria. Option A Cylindrospermum, B Nostac, C Anabina, D Oscillatoria. The correct answer is option D Oscillatoria. The non-heterosister cyanobacteria are cyanobacteria that do not show cellular differentiation. They are often dominant organism in microbial mat and can fix nitrogen under aerobic condition. Question number 68. Nitrosomonas is here. Option A chemoautotroph, B photoautotroph, C photoheterotroph, D chemoheterotroph. The correct answer is option A chemoautotroph. Chemoautotroph is an organism that get energy through chemosynthesis, which is the process of converting carbon molecules and nutrient into organic matter using energy from chemical reactions. Question number 69. Nitrobacteria are nutritionally. Option A chemoautotroph, B photoautotroph, C photoheterotroph, D chemoheterotroph. The correct answer is option A chemoautotroph. Chemoautotroph are organisms that obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic compounds such as nitrite and use that energy to synthesize organic compounds from carbon dioxide. Question number 70. Nitrifying bacteria. Option A fix nitrogen, B oxidize ammonia, C respire nitrate and D release nitrogen. The correct answer is option B oxidize ammonia. Nitrifying bacteria oxidize ammonia to nitrate as a part of the nitrogen cycle to maintain the supply of nitrate for plant and to control soil nitrogen losses. Question number 71. This bacterium converts ammonia to nitrate. Option A Rhizobium, B Nitrosomonas, C Pseudomonas, D Azospirillum. The correct answer is option B Nitrosomonas. Nitrification is a key step in the global nitrogen cycle. Nitrifying bacteria are a small group of aerobic microorganisms that use inorganic chemical as their energy source. Question number 72. The bacterium converts nitrite to nitrate. Option A Rhizobium, B Nitrosomonas, C Pseudomonas, D Nitrobacter. The correct answer is option D Nitrobacter. Nitrifying bacteria convert nitrate to nitrite through a series of enzymatic reactions that take place in their complex internal membrane system are ammonium monooxygenase, hydroxylamine oxidoreductase, and nitric oxide. Question number 73. Pick out the symbiotic non-leguminous nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Option A, Rhizobium. Option B, Frankia. C, Pseudomonas. D, Azospirillum. The correct answer is option B, Frankia. Frankia live near the root of plant but do not penetrate the plant tissue. Question number 74. Pick out the symbiotic leguminous nitrogen-fixing bacteria. The options are option A, Rhizobium, B, Frankia, C, Pseudomonas, D, Azospirillum. The correct answer is option A, Rhizobium. Rhizobium are gram-negative bacteria that live in the soil, especially where legumes have been grown. They invade the root hairs of leguminous plant, causing the formation of root nodule where they fix nitrogen. Question number 75. Viruses have option A, both DNA and RNA, B, either DNA and RNA, C, no DNA and RNA, D, plasmid. The correct answer is option B, either DNA and RNA. Question number 76. The nucleic acid of a virus is protected by a protein coat called. The options are option A, envelope, B, spike, C, capsid, and D, cyst. The correct answer is option C, capsid. The capsid is made up of a smaller subunit called capsomere, which are arranged in a helical or polyhedral geometrical shape in virus. Question number 77. Chemically, viruses are option A, lipopolysaccharide, B, carbohydrate, C, lipoprotein, D, nucleoprotein. The correct answer is option D, nucleoproteins. Viruses are mainly composed of protein and nucleic acid. Question number 78. During lytic cycle, the virus. Option A, lyse the cell. Option B, is latent in the cell. Option C, has not yet infected cell. Option D, induce growth of the host cell. The correct answer is option A, lyse the cell. The lytic cycle is a viral reproduction cycle where virus takes over a host cell, replicate, and then breaks out of the cell to infect other cells. Question number 79. When a virus enters a cell but does not replicate immediately, this situation is called option A, lysogeny, B, fermentation, C, symbiosis, D, synergism. The correct answer is option A, lysogeny. Lysogeny is a viral reproduction cycle where bacteriophage's nucleic acid integrated into the genome of a host bacterium. Question number 80. The integrated phage DNA is called option A, virion, B, prophage, D, nucleoid, D, pirion. The correct answer is option B, prophage. A prophage is a bacteriophage genome that has been integrated into a bacterial cell genome or exists as an extrachromosomal plasmid. Question number 81. Which plant virus is called Gemini virus? Option A, TMV, B, cucumber mosaic virus, C, Tungro virus, D, tuber yellow leaf curl virus. The correct answer is option D, tuber yellow leaf curl virus. It is a virus that infects over 30 types of plant but is most known for causing significant losses in tomato yield. Question number 82. Bunchy top of banana is transmitted through option A, cell sap, B, aphid, C, leaf hoppers, D, nematode. The correct answer is option B, aphid. The banana aphid spread the virus from plant to plant when it feeds on an infected plant and then moves to a healthy plant. The aphid piercing and sucking mouth part is transmitting the virus. Question number 83. Which of the following plant virus contain double-stranded DNA? Option A, TMV, B, potato virus, C, cauliflower mosaic virus, D, cucumber virus. The correct answer is option C, cauliflower mosaic virus. Cauliflower mosaic virus was the first discovered plant virus with genomic DNA that uses reverse transcriptase for replication. Question number 84. TMV is transmitted through option A, cell sap, B, aphid, C, leaf hoppers, D, nematode. The correct answer is option A, cell sap. Tobacco mosaic virus is transmitted through the cell sap of infected plant and can enter a new host through a wound in the plant. Question number 85. The cauliflower mosaic virus possesses option A single-strand DNA, B double-strand DNA, C single-strand RNA, D double-strand RNA. The correct answer is option B double-strand DNA. Question number 86. The virions are protected by option A envelope, B spike, C capsid, D none of the above. The correct answer is option D none of the above. Unlike the genomes of conventional virus, virions are not protected by a protein capsid. Question number 87. The potato spindle tuber disease is caused by option A virusoid, B prions, C virioids, D oncogenes. The correct answer is option C virioids. Virioids are small circular RNA molecules that are a few hundred nucleotides long. They are the infectious agent that cause potato spindle tuber disease and the other economically significant plant diseases. Question number 88. The virioids have a option A single-stranded DNA, B double-stranded DNA, C single-stranded RNA, D double-stranded RNA. The correct answer is option C single-stranded RNA. Question number 89. The classification based on similarity of character is called option A numerical taxonomy, B chemotaxonomy, C zero taxonomy, D phylogenetic taxonomy. The correct answer is option A numerical taxonomy. The classification based on similarity of character is also called phonetics. It is a biological classification method that group of organisms based on their overall similarity, usually based on observable traits like morphology. It is also known as numerical taxonomy. Question number 90. The classification based on antigenic character is called option A numerical taxonomy, B chemotaxonomy, C zero taxonomy, D phylogenetic taxonomy. The correct answer is option C zero taxonomy. The classification of similar plant based on differences in their protein is called zero taxonomy, and this technique is based on the relationship between the antigens and the antibodies produced in response to them. Question number 91. The classification based on nucleic acid character is called option A numerical taxonomy, B chemotaxonomy, C molecular taxonomy, D phylogenetic taxonomy. The correct answer is option C molecular taxonomy. Molecular taxonomy is a branch of science that deal with the presence of chemicals inside our body. It is the method of identifying and distinguishing the specimen in a fast and exact manner which is based on the interspecific variations. Question number 92. The phylogenetic classification of microbes reflects their option A pathogenicity, B morphological characters, C metabolic characters, D ancestral relationship. The correct answer is option D ancestral relationship. This classification based on the phylogeny organize species or other group in way that reflect our understanding of how they evolved from their common ancestors. Question number 93. The three kingdom system was proposed by option A Whittaker, B Haeckel, C Copeland, D Cavalier Smith. The correct answer is option B Haeckel. Question number 94. The five kingdom system was proposed by option A Whittaker, B Haeckel, C Copeland, D Cavalier Smith. The correct answer is option A Whittaker. Question number 95. In the five kingdom system, prokaryotes are included in option A Protista, B Monera, C Plantae, D none of the above. The correct answer is option B Monera. The kingdom Monera includes all prokaryotes which are unicellular organisms that lack a well-developed nucleus and advanced cell. Question number 96. Burgess Manual Systemic Bacteriology, 2nd edition, volume 4 includes option A gram-positive bacteria, B cyanobacteria, C gram-negative bacteria, D actinobacteria. The correct answer is option D actinobacteria. Question number 97. Burgess Manual Systemic Bacteriology, 2nd edition, volume 2 includes option A gram-positive bacteria, B cyanobacteria, C gram-negative bacteria, D actinomycetes. The correct answer is option C gram-negative bacteria. Question number 98. Burgess Manual Systemic Bacteriology, 2nd edition, volume 1 includes Option A, gram-positive bacteria, B, actinobacteria, C, gram-negative bacteria, D, archaeobacteria. The correct answer is option D, archaeobacteria. Question number 99. Burgess Manual Systemic Bacteriology first edition was published during. The options are option A 1982, 1989, B 1984 to 1991, C 1986 to 1994 and D 1994 to 2000. The correct answer is option B 1984 to 1991. Question number 100. The eubacteria include option A most bacteria, B methanogens, C thermoacidophiles, D halophiles. The correct answer is option A most bacteria. Eubacteria literally means true bacteria. They include all bacteria except for archaebacteria. They form the domain bacteria. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos of MCQs in microbiology.